Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. What I'm going to show you today is how you can fish in Hytale, okay? Now, fishing in Hytale is going to involve a pretty complex mechanic. It's not just going to be like you can cast a fishing rod and that's it, because there's no fishing rod present as of now, okay? I'm talking about, you know, 19 January of 2026. Maybe they're going to implement it later on, but as for now, there's actual no mechanic to, cast like a fishing rod. So, what are you gonna do, guys? Instead of doing this, what we need to do is we need to set traps, okay? The fishing traps. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna recommend you do is just come to the first area, the first zone. I'm talking about this area, because you have a lot of ponds, rivers, beaches, and all of that, okay? But you can do it in any zone, really, that there are some water and some fish, okay? But I've actually found in my gameplay that this zone, the first zone, is actually the best because, you get a lot of fish in here. As you can see, they're swimming in there. You can actually come, you can crouch, you can swim, but you cannot catch them, okay? Well, you can actually, you can kill them, right? But yeah, you cannot actually fish them, okay? So what are you gonna do? We're just gonna get out of here for a second, and I'm gonna show you. Guys, you need a former workbench, okay? So just open it. And what I want you to do is I want you to upgrade it, first of all, to tier 2. You're gonna need a couple of things, such as, Essence of Life, carrots, corn, and Lightwood Log. So yeah, you're gonna need this stuff to kind of upgrade it. And you wanna build the fishing trap, which is gonna cost you some ingredients, and the feast bait, okay? So you need all of these two things. Just put them into your quick use. Again, you need a lot of stuff. And I just want you to put this in here. As you can see, they're gonna look like this. So you can just right click it. And I just want to select now your actual fish bait and right click your fishing traps. They're gonna turn like, red, sort of. You can do it from a distance, okay? It doesn't have to be like super close. And now, guys, you just have to wait, okay? Now, this can take quite a bit of time, okay, to be honest with you. I've been actually like out for maybe hours. I mean in-game hours, and nothing has appeared. So you have to wait maybe like one day or half a day or something like that. Okay, so yeah. So just wait some times, go do your things, and now you can press F and you can catch whatever fish is saying. Okay, so you're just gonna come close to it and you're gonna press F when the prompt appears. And that's pretty much it. This is the only way currently to fish. So yeah, just hope you enjoy it and thank you so much.